How to change phone number on Amazon. So the first step is by opening your Amazon app, and then you may either go to account right here, or you may also go to these three lines found on the lower right corner of the screen. And then under your shortcuts, you may see account, so simply click on it and then wait for it to load. So you just simply scroll down until you can see the Manage Profiles option. So click on Manage Profiles and choose your profile. Wait for it to load. And then right here, what you're going to do is to click on this pencil or this edit button found on the rightmost part of mobile number or contact details. So click on it, wait for it to load once again, and then you may choose your country code. So for US, you have +1 right there. You may simply scroll down until you can see your country code, and then simply type in your phone number. Make sure that this phone number is working since Amazon will send you a code and input it here once you have that code. So again, click on continue, input the code, and then that's it. That's how you can change phone number on Amazon. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.